StreamSets has been adopted over the last maybe 3 to 4 years in NatWest and has been an evolution of usage from its earliest POC exercises using data collector and some very limited streaming use cases to now the current day where we have a really sort of widespread adoption focused within our data and analytics function, but also across various other areas in the bank as well. It's, as we know, a really solid data integration platform for building out and designing data pipelines, and its use for various types of workloads that are requiring to be processed, whether that's batch or stream, and a variety of different use cases as well, some operational in nature, but an awful lot of analytical use cases as well. And the benefits of using the StreamSets platform is that ability to just have our data pipelines visualized in a really consumable way with an intuitive UI. The product offering of StreamSets coming with a Python SDK has further bolstered the capability in that we can really industrialize our pipeline development using that Python SDK. The other benefits really just about having that ability to debug our pipelines and preview data mid-pipeline and so on in a way that just really wasn't possible with the manual code approaches of the past. And yeah, just the whole sort of extensibility of the platform and the ability to scale the platform to service increased demand has been hugely beneficial to delivering on the use cases that are coming down the line. In maybe the last 18 months, 12 to 18 months, we've been really pushing the use of the SDK and made a lot of efforts in terms of enabling teams to have good, solid, exemplar code that they can pick off the shelf and just start to be really productive with the SDK. And workshopping that across various teams, across the various franchises in the bank has been really useful in pushing this message. So, I mean, why are we doing that? Well, we're doing that because it carries an awful lot of benefits in terms of having SDK mastered pipelines. One of the biggest things I think is the whole sort of ability to have normal version control approaches applied into the development lifecycle. Those of us that come from software engineering backgrounds are very comfortable with Git-based workflows. And obviously StreamSets has a versioning capability within for pipelines which are being administered or configured or maintained via the UI. But to have a Git-based workflow using the SDK where all of the pipelines are effectively expressed in Python carries huge sort of benefits to cross-functional development teams.